We'll see if I can, how many short videos I can pull off. I'm gonna take, I got 6 rounds in the KS. I am gonna be seated at a table, but I'm not gonna use the bag because I'm tired of it leaking all over everything and it shakes down, so I'm gonna try and just kind of brace myself on my elbows. I'm gonna shoot that water bottle. I'm hoping to shoot the water bottle, and I might miss the first time, so, and then 2 on each of the targets, hopefully not kill the hostage. And that's that. Should have just left the mag in it. AR15. 5 rounds. Maybe that was 4. I don't know. I'll lose track when I'm shooting. But hey, I squeezed out another short video. Not too bad. Still haven't killed the hostage. That's always a good thing.